Hello and welcome to My Yoga Habit, the official online membership community for ChriskaYoga. I am Christina. I'm a registered yoga teacher at the 500-hour level. I'm based in New York City, and I am the creator of the yoga YouTube channel called ChriskaYoga, where I provide free online yoga classes to thousands of people all over the world. This membership site was created to take the yoga community that I built on YouTube and basically bring it to the next level. So I wanted to provide my online yoga students with more value, more community feel, more personalized attention. I'm really excited to bring this to you. I want to help you bring your yoga practice to the next level, making yoga a habit in your life and really living that yoga lifestyle. Now, you might be asking, why should I live a yoga lifestyle? What are the benefits? And to that I say, the benefits are endless. Yoga helps you to live with less stress, more ease, less pain in your body, less anxiety. If you really make yoga a habit and bring it into your life in a real way, you are going to notice the difference. And I want to help you achieve that. So with your membership, you will get 4 exclusive new yoga classes from me. They'll be released on a weekly basis, so you'll have a new yoga class to practice every single week. Along with that, you'll have access to tons and tons of my premium yoga classes from my courses that I already have available for purchase separately on my website, but you will have access to them as a member to this site. You'll have access to all of those as long as you're a member. Along with all of that, you will get 2 new guided meditations every single month. You'll be able to participate in live group chats with me where you can ask me questions, we can interact with each other, support each other as a community. You will also be able to join a private Facebook group where all of the members can once again support each other. I will moderate the group. We can interact with each other, give each other advice. You can also participate in the community forums that I have on this membership site, so you can ask each other questions, ask me questions in there as well. And then there'll be some extras here and there, such as book suggestions that will help you further along your yoga practice, or journaling exercises that are meant for self-development, personal growth, things that will help you further along your yoga practice and your healthy lifestyle as well. So with this membership, you get quite a lot of value. You can take your yoga practice to the next level and really make yoga a habit in your life. All of the yoga classes and meditations are ad-free, so you don't have to deal with any YouTube ads. They're just the yoga class, which is great. There's no extra stuff that you have to deal with. You can stream them onto any device, your TV, your computer, your phone, and you can even watch them without internet. So you can download them onto your computer or wherever and watch them without needing an internet connection. So it's great for travel. If you want to take me to work with you and practice yoga on your lunch break, whatever you need to do, this is like your personal online yoga studio. I'm so excited to bring this to you. I'm so excited to help you take your yoga practice to the next level, to interact with you, and to really bring our community together. And I hope you're excited too. So please join us, sign up. So yeah, I'm so excited. I hope to see you in the membership with us. Join now. You don't want to miss out, and I hope to see you there.